Good morning, students. Now it's time for math session. So take out your child-centric mathematics perfection toolkit 1 of 2 joyful C and take out your maths notebook with your pencil and eraser. And now open page number 46. So students, as you know, we have completed our tier 2 and today we are going to start our tier 3. Okay, so it's teacher and parent page numbers 51 to 100. Process of perfection, warm up to generate interest and gauge prior knowledge. Activity 1. Once the children are familiar with the numbers, call out any number between 51 to 100 and let them show it on the tens board. So these are the learning resources, tens board and beads. So for this, you have to require tens board and beads. Okay, this is tens board. It's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Activity 2. Provide a child with any quantity of beads between 51 to 100 and ask him or her to show it on the tens board. Activity 3. Let each child take a slate, call aloud numbers at random and ask children to write the numbers on slate. Initially call out any 10 numbers between 51 to 100. Okay, and these are house tickets, number cards 1 to 100. These are the number cards. So, parents, you have to call out any number between 51 to 100 and let them show it on the tens board, right? So, let's do move to the next page. Now, see on your screen, here are numbers 51 to 100. So, first of all, you have to circle on today's day, mention here today's day, month, year, and check out the weather and circle on the weather. Now, whose picture is this? These are mangoes and some numbers written on them. Okay, and you have to trace over the numbers, right? Trace over the numbers. So let's start. Take your pencil. This is number 51, and then next 52, then after 52, 53, then 54. What comes after 54? 55. Okay. Then after 55, it's 56. Then 57. What comes after 57? 58. Then 59. And then 60. 60, 60, then 61, 61, then 62, 62, 63, 63, and 64, 64, then 65, 65. And what comes after 65? It's 66, 66, then 67, 67, 68, 68, 69, 69, then 70, 70. And what comes after 70? 71, 71, then 72, 72, 73, 73, 74, 74, then 75, 75. Okay, so in this way you have to do this work. You have to count the mangoes. Now teachers and parents transaction processes. Bring multiple sets of number cards from 0 to 9 in class. So to practice at home, okay, do this activity at home. Keep one set on each table. Call out a two-digit number. Let children use two number cards and show the number called out. Story and role play. Jolly. Hooray! We have learned counting up to 50. Polly, we can draw more fruits. Jolly, and count them. Polly, first I will color these mangoes. So, students, you have to do activity at home. Parents, you have to bring some multiple number cards, like, and then you have to call out some numbers. Suppose it's 45. Okay, so let the child take four number card, then 5, and place it on the table, and let the child call out the number. It's 45. Okay, okay, and next number, suppose like it's 62. So let the child take number card of 6, then number card of 2. So it's 62. Okay, so in this way you can call out many more numbers and let the child place the numbers according to the numbers. Okay, so do activity at home and keep practicing. So now today's math session is over.